7 AI Note-Taking Apps. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of AI note-taking apps. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to organize their thoughts, AI-enhanced note-taking is the future. Today, we'll explore the top 7 AI note-taking apps that are revolutionizing the way we capture and process information. First up, Notion AI. Notion has always been a favorite for its adaptability, perfect for work, school, or personal tasks. With the introduction of Notion AI, it's now even more powerful, allowing brainstorming, drafting, and summarizing at the click of a button. Whether you're looking to change the tone of your writing or summarize vast texts, Notion AI has got you covered. Next, we have Reflect. Tailored for personal note-taking, Reflect integrates a calendar and backlinking to connect your ideas seamlessly. Its command-based editor is enhanced with AI, offering prompts for summarizing, rephrasing, and even providing counter-arguments. And for those who love GPT-4, Reflect gives you direct access, making it a powerhouse for note-taking. Moving on to Mem. Mem is not just a note-taking tool, it's a productivity booster. Import notes, use the advanced search tool, or let the Mem chatbot provide insights using your existing notes. With Mem, you can even generate content based on your existing knowledge, making it a true companion for knowledge management. Introducing Taskade. One of the pioneers in AI note-taking, Taskade offers a plethora of features to enhance your efficiency. From digital bullet journals to project plans, Taskade's AI will guide you every step of the way. Need a to-do list or notes on a project aspect? Just ask Taskade's chatbot. Let's talk about WriteSonic. Perfect for content creators, WriteSonic is your AI assistant for blog posts, ideas, and even social media content. From passive to active voice translation to generating YouTube titles, WriteSonic is all about speed and efficiency. And the best part? You can generate your first 10,000 words for free. Now, let's delve into Napkin. Napkin is all about visualizing ideas and seeing how concepts interlink. With its sticky note appearance, it's perfect for jotting down quick ideas and connecting them. Napkin's AI suggests related ideas, and you can even tweet your favorite ones directly from the app. Introducing our 7th app, Stork. Stork is not just another note-taking app, it's a personal chat companion for your notes. Whether you're speaking or recording a video, Stork transcribes everything automatically into text. Imagine the convenience of voice and video notes, all seamlessly converted into text for easy reference. Stork ensures that no matter how you choose to express yourself, your thoughts are captured and organized. In conclusion, AI-assisted note-taking apps are not just a trend, they're the future. From boosting productivity to enhancing creativity, these apps are changing the way we think about note-taking. Give them a try and elevate your note-taking experience to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned.